How to fix Messenger no notifications problem. Hey guys, so let's head on to the settings right here. And let's scroll down to the bottom part of the settings page to where it will list all of our apps in alphabetical order. So just find the Messenger app and tap on it. And then under this section, you should be able to see the notifications option. So tap on it. And as you can see, I currently have it turned off. So make sure that you allow notifications from Messenger by clicking on this toggle button right here, and that should turn green. Now you can also customize the alerts that you want to receive. You can have it on your lock screen, notification center, or as banners. So the banner style, you can set it as temporary or persistent. You can also toggle on the sounds, the badges, and also the lock screen appearance and all of that. We can also click on Messenger notification settings right here to configure the notifications and sounds within the app itself. So you may have turned on the do not disturb mode, so make sure that it is turned off and this toggle button is turned gray. You can also opt to show previews or not and customize the text tone as well as all these other options within the app. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.